Hello everyone, welcome in third part of the song from heaven. If you remember in our last video, we had seen that Father Joseph was thinking about that babies, for that baby, or instead that word there is new word infant. Okay, babies and infant may difference. What is the difference between that words? Because or just like baby means for that a small child, okay, but infant means for that just अभी born हुआ वाला, okay, अभी born हुआ वाला, okay. So now in this way we know very well about Father Joseph was thinking about that situation, what happened or which happened. Okay, actually it wasn't a just like a pre-plan. Okay, it was a coincidence. Coincident. It wasn't a coincidence. Okay, so that's why he just said that it will not be coincident. ये कोई coincident नहीं होगा. Okay, और वो वही बात सोच रहे थे. वो वही बात सोच रहे थे. So let me read again. On his way back home, Father Mohor kept replying the events of the evening in his mind. He couldn't forget the scene of the infant laying in its mother's arms. All around him, preparations were underway for the midnight mass as the village celebrate the birth of Christ. Okay, so on that day, all villagers celebrate birth of Christ as well as. Now we shall continue. Later that night, Father Mohor decided to write down what had happened in his diary. Okay, see, there was one activity or just like habit of Father Joseph. Whatever or what will happen with him, with Father Joseph, so that all situation condition write in his diary. Who? Father Joseph जो कुछ भी उनके साथ उस दिन में होता था वो पूरा उस डायरी में लिखा करते थे. Okay, so that's why Father Joseph decided whatever or what happened with us or what happened today, so that all situation we had to write in that diary. उस डायरी में हमें लिखना है. Okay, उन्होंने वो डिसाइड कर लिया था. Then as he started writing, the words seemed to have a will of their own. Quite naturally, his lines flow into beautiful verses. When he finally stopped, Father Moore found that he had composed a poem. Okay, so when he was writing, who referred to he मैंने किसको रेफर किया है? Father Joseph. Okay, उनको मैंने he रेफर किया है. So when he was writing that situation, so that times when he just complete that writing, so that times he analyzed or that times he found whatever I just wrote, so it just make a poem. So it just made poem. So actually it was a poem. Okay, otherwise what can we say that it become a poem. जो कुछ भी उन्होंने लिखा था, जो कंपाइल किया था, वो पोएम में कन्वर्ट हो गया था. मतलब इन शॉर्टली वो पोएम बन चुकी थी. ओके, द नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग ऑन क्रिसमस डे द म्यूजिक टीचर ऑफ द विलेज स्कूल. ओके, नाउ वी आर जस्ट टॉकिंग अबाउट नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग. अभी वो रात चली गई है, इवनिंग खत्म हुई है, नाइट भी खत्म हो गई है. नाउ वी आर डिस्कस अबाउट नेक्स्ट डे, नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग. ओके, द नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग ऑन क्रिसमस डे. अभी वो दिन कौन सा था? क्रिसमस डे था. ओके, on Christmas day, the music teacher of the village school, there was one music teacher and he was in school which located in that village. उस गांव में एक स्कूल टीचर जो म्यूजिक टीचर थे, है ना, म्यूजिक टीचर थे. अभी उनका नाम क्या था? फ्रांस ज़ेवियर ग्रुबर. Okay, Franz Xavier Gruber came to visit Father Moher. Means on Christmas day in the morning Franz Xavier came in Father Joseph home. At Father Joseph home. Okay, Father Joseph home की तरफ आ गए थे. Then When he read the poem, he took out his guitar and composed a tune to match the words. Okay, and when he just read that poem or when he just observe that poem, so that times he take out his guitar. You know very well about that. He is already music teacher. वो म्यूजिक टीचर थे तो डेफिनेटली उनके पास गिटार तो होगा ही, राइट. सो दैट्स व्हाई व्हेन ही जस्ट रीड दैट पोयम, when he just read that poem, so that times he just took out his guitar, okay, and make a tune. और उस पोयम के लिए उन्होंने एक धुन बनाई है. ट्यून एक उनके लिए धुन बनाई है उस पोयम के लिए. नेक्स्ट, द पोयम thus transfer into a lovely song. Okay, see, first time when Father Joseph was think about whatever happened, we have to write in that diary. Okay, just like daily routine. So basically when he wrote, so that times it became a poem. But when Franz Xavier made a tune for that poem, so that times it become a lovely song. पहले तो वो सबसे पहले पोयम बनी, फिर बाद में उसको ट्यून दे दिया गया, उसको एक धुन दे दिया गया, ओके, एक म्यूजिक दे दिया गया. That times it become a song and it wasn't a simple song, it was a lovely song. ये काफी lovely song था, है ना, lovely song था. Then lovely song. Father Moher and Franz Rubert decided to sing the song at church, and when it complete, so that times they both think about that song. That song we have to sing in a church. हमारे चर्च में या फिर चर्च में से हमें गाना है या फिर गाना पड़ेगा. उन्होंने ऐसा सोच लिया था. Then they sang to the accompaniment of Franz Xavier guitar as the church organ was out of order. The congregation at the church loved the new song. They hummed along and were deeply moved by the words. The song had begun to spread its magic. So when that poem became a song in melody voice or with that tune के साथ, अभी वो पोयम नहीं रही, ट्यून के साथ वो अभी सॉन्ग बन गया है. ओके, सो फादर जोसेफ एंड फ्रांस जोवियर इन दोनों ने डिसाइड किया था कि ये अभी हम राइट नाउ दिस सॉन्ग वी हैव टू प्ले इन अ चर्च. ओके, इसे हमें प्ले करना है चर्च में या फिर गाना है चर्च में, है ना. So that times they play also in that church. चर्च में उन्होंने प्ले भी किया on that piano. Okay, and when they complete that song, so that times that song become a beautiful or spread all over all the just like a magically, मतलब एक जादू की तरह वो क्या हुआ, वो सॉन्ग स्प्रेड हो गया, है ना. वो जादू की तरह वो सॉन्ग स्प्रेड हो गया या फिर स्प्रेड होना शुरू हो गया, है ना. यहाँ तक आपको समझ में आया है. सो आई होप यू जस्ट अंडरस्टूड दिस पैराग्राफ. इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो वी शैल कंटिन्यू ऑन नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ. ओके, टिल देन सी यू, बाय.